Hi, how to become a better reader? I can't able to finish the whole book. I know most of you having this problem, right? Here I have some amazing tips for you. Reading is like diving into the deepest sea. It actually gets you to another world and also to help you discover new concepts, new habits. You can learn lots of more things. First you have to do is choosing your favorite genre like fiction or non-fiction, whatever it is. I personally recommend non-fiction books because you can apply the ideas and habits or advices in your real life. After that, start reading the book, the one you selected. Within few pages, if the book does not attract you or does not grab your attention, then just quit that book and try another one. Because even in the initial stage, you are not getting into that book, you never get attracted by that book anymore. And second one is skimming. You don't need to cover the entire chapter. You don't need to cover each and every word given in that book. While reading, perhaps if you are bored with some topics, skip that topic and jump to the next one. Don't push yourself to finish that topic, and you just need to focus on the story. What's the message that author is trying to convey to you through the book? That's the key to finish the book. Once you understand the flow of the book, it will be easy to you to finish the book. Third one is read with your finger. The reason for I'm telling this, our eyes are actually not completely stable. When we read something, our eyes are not completely focusing on the line. We just look around for no reason. It's really hard to keep our eyes focusing on each and every word. That's why you lose your concentration, you lose your interest, and sometimes you forget the line where you are reading and you will read the line again twice. So, if you put your finger below the word as you read, it increases the reading speed and you will quickly finish the page also. Fourth one is how much you addicted to that book. How much time do you spend on that book? While reading, you have to maintain the level of retention towards that book. It's really an important habit. When you start reading a book, you have to be consistent. Whether if you are a student or a working professional, that's not matter. You have to manage your time according to your schedule. Spend at least 30 to 40 minutes daily for reading. After you started, don't take a break. Some people will be like they read a book one day and then they took a break for a couple of days and then again they started reading that book from the continuation. If you start doing like this, this will you will never build a good relationship with your book, right? Actually, it's not a proper way to read your book. So be consistent in reading. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video till now. Thank you so much. Bye.